In today's video, I'm going to teach you organize your life with Notion. Build a central workspace. Let's set up a simple, central hub in Notion where everything lives: tasks, goals, notes, projects, finances, and your schedule. Start by creating a home page that links to a master task list and a few core pages. Your master task list can be a database where each task has a due date, a priority, and an optional project tag. With those properties in place, add filters so you only see what matters right now, like tasks due today, high priority items, or everything for a specific project. Use checkboxes to mark tasks complete, and let your filtered view hide them automatically so your screen stays clean and focused. For goals and habits, outline weekly or quarterly goals and break them into small, actionable steps you can actually do. Keep a lightweight habit tracker on your homepage for routines like workouts, reading, or journaling. Checking these off daily makes progress visible and motivating. When it comes to projects and notes, create customizable databases to keep all related files, notes, and checklists together. Add a quick capture area for saving web articles, ideas, and rough notes the moment they pop up. Later, process them into the right project or tag. Over time, this becomes your second brain, a central, searchable repository of ideas and resources you won't lose track of. For finances, set up pages to budget, track expenses, and manage grocery lists. Even a simple table for expenses and a monthly summary can give you clarity fast. To manage your schedule, integrate Notion with Notion Calendar so you can view your Notion databases alongside your Google Calendar. Switch to a calendar view to plan your week and time block your days at a more granular level. This helps you see commitments and focus time in one place. If you collaborate, share pages with roommates to manage chores or with a club to keep resources and responsibilities organized. Permissions make it easy to control who can view or edit. Start simple. You don't need a complex setup on day one. Begin with a to-do list and a notes page, then expand as your needs grow. Explore Notion's free templates for planning systems, goal trackers, and dashboards. Remember, a single database can switch between table, board, calendar, or gallery views. Experiment to find what fits each workflow best. And try Notion AI to draft meeting agendas, brainstorm ideas, or generate lists to speed up your setup. Build steadily, keep it tidy, and let your workspace evolve with you.